Welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to add elastic IP to an EC2 instance. Let me create a separate directory. I am going to name it as EIP. Let's create a new file and name it as main.tf. I am going to copy the provider block and resource block from our previous learning. Now, let me write a new resource block for EIP. Type resource, then AWS EIP. Now, name of the elastic IP address, I am going to name it as elastic IP. Now, we need to add it to the instance we are creating above. Instance equals to AWS instance dot Ubuntu, in my case ubuntu.id. So this is pretty much it. Now let me show you the output for the elastic IP that the instance will get assigned to. Output, name of the output as EIP and value equals to AWS EIP dot elastic IP dot public IP. Cool. Now save this and launch a new terminal. Go to your directory EIP and run Terraform init. Now let's run Terraform apply. Make sure to check the infrastructure before going forward. Once done, type yes. Here is the EIP that got assigned to our instance. Let's go back to the management console and verify. Check for the running instances. Now this is our elastic IP that got assigned. Let's go back to our terminal and destroy the infrastructure, as EIP might incur you some cost. So once you are done with the learning, please destroy your infrastructure. Let me type Terraform destroy. Type yes. Destroy completed. Cool. See you in our next lessons. Thank you.